talking about in science? What have we been talking about? Yes, Jeremy?
Weather.
We've been talking about the weather. Can anybody tell me anything that you remember from Friday's lesson about the weather? Eli?
About vivacious weather.
About what kind of weather?
Vivacious weather. I can't remember the name. Oh, I remember it.
Okay, yes, Michaela? Okay, we talked about severe weather. What else did we talk about? Yes, Eli?
Thunderstorms.
We talked about thunderstorms. Yes, sometimes that can be severe weather. Yes, Jeremy? I can't hear you.
Weather tools.
Weather tools. We talked about weather tools. Yes?
Clouds.
We talked about clouds, and there are several types of clouds. Can anybody remember the types of clouds? Okay, Michaela? Cumulonimbus. Cumulus.
Stratus.
And can anybody remember any more, or was that it? Yes? I can't hear you. Cirrus? Very good. Okay. We also talked about weather instruments. Can anybody remember any of the weather instruments? Coriana?
Barometer.
There's a barometer. What does a barometer do? Yes? Okay. No, Nola? Lola, what's that?
He said it measures air pressure.
Measures air pressure, a barometer. Very good. What else? Yes? You gotta speak up. I can't hear you.
I think it's a weather balloon.
Oh, a weather balloon. What does a weather balloon do? Do you guys remember?
No.
Yes?
Like it's up in space and it tells you like the radius and stuff like how.
Yes, it goes way up in the sky, right? And it measures the weather. Yes?
When the clouds turn dark and darker, it makes rain and thunderstorms.
Yes, when the clouds turn dark, that usually means we are going to have some type of precipitation, right? Maybe some heavy rain. If it's in the wintertime, maybe some snow. You never know. Yes, Jeremy?
No, it's raining.
Okay. Who else? Damani?
Oh, just church.
Okay, let me ask you guys this question. Do you guys remember the thing called a weather vane? V-A-N-E? Yes, Coriana? What does that do?
It shows you what direction the wind is going.
Shows you the direction of the wind. Very good. Okay, now what's an anemometer? Uh-oh. Do you guys remember that one?
I forgot that one.
Yes, Samaya?
It checks the wind.
It checks the wind.
Oh,
Okay, what does it check on the wind though? Yes, Eli? I can't hear you.
Humidity.
Well, no, not yes. It measures the wind speed. Remember, it looks like a little cup. You know, we pass these around on Friday. It looks like a whole bunch of little cups, and they go like this. When the wind is blowing, that tests the wind speed. Very good. Did we do all of them? We did the weather balloon. Oh, hydrometer. What do you think that is? Yes, Eli?
The one with the humidity.
Yes, it measures the humidity in the air. Very good. Yes.
Rain gauge.
I think there's one more.
Rain gauge.
There it is. What does a rain gauge measure?
See how much rain is in
To see how much rain. Yes, very, very good. I think that's all of them. Okay. Okay. So now, I have some scenarios for you guys. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Who said no? Who said no? Let's see.
Ooh, he said no.
Okay. Can you predict the wacky weather? I'm going to read something to you, and you're going to let me know what you think the answer is, okay?
Raise your hand.
Okay. Here's the introduction. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
You have been hired as a substitute for Wavy TV10 as the local meteorologist for the city of Hampton. Use all the clues to forecast or predict the weather, okay? So that means we have to put our thinking caps on and we have to really listen, okay? So we can try to figure it out. Let's go. You have been watching the barometer over the past few hours. The air pressure has dropped significantly. What type of weather would you forecast based on this information? So we know we're using a barometer. What does a barometer measure? You guys remember?
Wind pressure.
It measures the air pressure. And if the pressure is low, what does that mean? Yes, Brooklyn? If it's low, that means, we might have some bad weather. If the pressure is high, what does that mean? Yes, Travian? Good weather. We're going to have good weather. So let me read it again. You have been watching the barometer over the past few hours. The air pressure has dropped significantly. What kind of weather do you think we might have? Jaleel?
Bad weather.
Bad weather. Does anybody agree?
Yes.
Thumbs up? Good job. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Are we listening?
Yep.
The meteorologist in Newport News would like information about your Hampton's wind speed to complete his forecast. What instrument can you use to find the wind speed at your location? Jeremy's hand went up.
Aerometer.
Say it again.
Aerometer.
Louder. What'd you say?
Aerometer.
Anemometer? Okay. Information about the wind speed. Does everybody agree?
Yes.
Do you agree? Thumbs up? Okay, who doesn't agree? Everybody agrees? Okay, good job. Let's go to the next one. All right, are we listening?
Yes.
The weather this week in October has been fairly nice.
Help me. Help me. No. No.
Let's go for a walk. Come on. Jordan, come on.
Okay, the weather this week in October has been fairly nice. Most people are outside dressed in pants, long sleeve shirts, and no jackets. However, a cold front is moving in. What should you suggest people wear tomorrow? Do I need to read it again?
Yes.
All right. The weather this week in October has been fairly nice. Most people are outside dressed in pants and long sleeve shirts and no jackets. However, a cold front is moving in. What should you suggest people wear tomorrow? Yes. You say shorts? Who agrees?
No.
Okay. Tommy, what you think? I can't hear you. A coat? Does anyone agree?
Yes.
Why do you agree? Why? Why do you agree? Brooklyn, why do you agree? A cold?
It's going to be cold.
A cold front is moving in. That means that it's going to be cold, yes?
I would just stay inside.
Okay, she said she would just stay inside. That might be a good idea if it's going to be cold.
Yeah.
No? Don't stay inside? Yes, Michaela?
She said I would stay inside.
Stay inside? Turn the heaters on. Make some hot chocolate and watch Netflix. That sounds amazing.
Watch Netflix.
All right, you guys ready for the next one? Are we listening?
Yes.
Okay. Cumulus clouds cover the sky with large patches of blue peeking through.
How do you have AC on in your room? What?
I don't know.
Discrimination against old ladies that we can't have air on?
All right, are we ready? Cumulus clouds cover the sky with large patches of blue peeking through. The barometer is holding steady. What is your forecast? Think about it. Do you want me to read it again? Let me read it one more time. Cumulus clouds cover the sky with large patches of blue peeking through. The barometer is holding steady. What is your forecast? Travian?
Good weather.
You think it's going to be good weather? Why do you think it's going to be good weather?
Because it's blue.
Because you see blue peeking through from the clouds. And what kind of clouds did we say? Cumulus. Okay, what kind of cloud is that?
It's a big fluffy one.
Like cotton puffs, yes.
But if it gets too big, it'll yeah.
It gets too big. Yes, yes. So cumulus clouds usually means what kind of weather? Usually. Jeremy? Fair weather. Very good. Oh, you guys got this. Okay, here's another one. Are you ready? We listening? Cumulus clouds are growing larger and higher in the sky. They are darkening at the bottom. The air pressure is dropping. What is the forecast? Damani?
Bad weather.
You think it's bad weather? Why do you think it's bad weather? You need help from one of your classmates? Huh? I can't hear you.
He said, what did it say?
What? Oh, you want me to read it again? It says cumulus clouds are growing larger and higher in the sky. They are darkening at the bottom. The air pressure is dropping. Tommy? When the clouds start getting big and high, what does that mean?
Bad weather.
Yes, and what was the other thing that it said about the clouds?
It was getting
It was darkening. Very good. That means that we might get some gloomy weather. Might be some rain. It might be a thunderstorm. Right. Good job. Okay.
dropping from the sky.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
In October, dark gray stratus clouds cover the sky. Sunlight is blocked. What is your forecast?
No idea.
Eli, what do you think?
Bad weather.
You think it's bad weather?
Because of the stratus clouds, they're gray and they cover the sky.
Dark gray stratus clouds cover the sky. What does stratus clouds look like?
Wavy clouds.
Michaela?
Like this. Like this.
Can anybody explain?
Like shapes.
Puffy.
Puffy?
They're puffy.
They're like what? Yes, Jeremy? Flat? Very good, yes. And what did this say? They're dark gray stratus clouds. So, what did we say? Looks like we might have some bad weather. There might be some rain, right? Good job. Good job. All right, here we go. Farmers in Smithfield, Virginia want to know the total rainfall for the past month. What weather instrument provides precipitation data? What weather instrument provides precipitation data? First of all, what's precipitation? Do we know? Brooklyn?
Anything that falls from the sky.
Anything that falls from the sky, any moisture, right? It could be snow, it could be sleet, it could be hail, it could be rain, it could be a lot of things. Okay, but it says farmers in Smithfield, Virginia want to know the total rainfall for the past month. So remember which instruments measure rainfall. Ava. A rain gauge. Who agrees?
Yes.
Very good. We're going to have to use a rain gauge to see how much rain has fallen. Very, very good. Very good. Okay, I think we have a couple more. Dark clouds fill the sky. The air is below freezing from the clouds to the Earth's surface. What type of precipitation do you forecast? Do I need to read it again? Yes? Let me read it one more time. Dark clouds fill the sky. The air is below freezing from the clouds to the Earth's surface. What type of precipitation do you forecast? Yes?
No.
You think it's snow? Who agrees? Anybody agree? Anybody got a different answer? Michaela? What you say? Hail. Ooh. Very interesting. Why do you think it's hail? It's below freezing. Okay. Yes, Eli?
Maybe sleet.
It might be sleet. Very interesting. Why do you think it would be sleep?
Because it might be cold, but it might be raining, and
Right.
then the rain might turn into sleep.
Rain might turn into sleep. Oh, that's a good observation. Very interesting. Okay, so what do you think the real answer is? Like, which one out of all of those? What do you think? Yes, Tracy?
Yeah.
You think hail?
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. McDowell, what do you think?
What's the question again?
Okay, it says, dark clouds fill the sky. The air is below freezing from the clouds to the earth's surface.
From the clouds to the earth's surface, the air is below freezing? Well, it's not going to be hell. We know hell comes during the summertime, right?
Yeah.
And that hell comes when the clouds are freezing during the summer, up at the top when the hell comes down. But if the air between the clouds and the ground is below freezing, what precipitation do we get normally during the winter?
Who said it? Somebody said it first. Exactly. Very good. Thank you, Mr. McDowell. That was really good. Okay, here's the last one. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
In late summer, in late summer, a low pressure storm system is developing in the Atlantic Ocean near the equator. You are keeping an eye on it. If warm ocean air continues to feed this storm, what severe storm could form under these conditions? Do I need to read it again?
No.
Okay. Yes?
Hurricane. Yes.
Okay, she said hurricane. Who agrees? I think she's right. I really do. That's because it says it's late summer, right? That's our hurricane season, right? A low pressure storm, low pressure means what? A low pressure storm system is developing in the Atlantic Ocean near the equator. That means the waters are very warm, right? You are keeping an eye on it. If warm ocean air continues to feed the storm, what severe storm could form under these conditions? And we said what?
Hurricane.
Very good. Okay, so I have an exercise for you guys. It is on your tablets. Chromebooks, okay? Wait, they already did that, you said?
Yeah. They could look at it again to practice with those weather tools.
Did everybody already do it? Because if you already did it, then we I don't know where is it found?
In Discovery,
Everybody already did it? It is
the weather tool.
Yeah.
One.
Everybody did it? Okay. Thank you for your time, everyone.